What's up, folks? Already here with Bomber Breaks, and I've got for you right now Gold Rush Lightning Football Random Team number 2, 10-box full case fire from Gold Rush. Thank you so much for jumping in. Let's get right to it, guys. 32 in, 32. Arizona to the Commanders. We've got 3 plus a 2. We're going 5 clicks. After 5, it's the New England Patriots down to the Baltimore Ravens. Patriots down to Baltimore. Patriots to Baltimore, good. And participants, I got Tyler. First spot, Mojo down to John. Close it out. Good luck here on the draw. 3 plus another 2. We're going 5 clicks. After 5, it's going to be Justin down to Eddie. Justin to Eddie. Good. I don't know why this is being feisty with fitting on the thing correctly, but that's why we don't need that extra little drop down. All right, let's print this. For those of you guys that like the Gold Rush Lightning, just a reminder, Ignition Football is out on Wednesday. Tier team and random team up on the site. Stuff is absolutely loaded. We're gonna be working hard to get a sell sheet out there, but you guys know how Russ does. It's gonna be a bunch of bangers. So check it out for Wednesday with no new release Wednesday. Good time to get to that. Plus some of the best football you can find. Don't get hurt, Zay. Don't get hurt. Please, I hope he's just tired. Oh, come on. Unbelievable. Derrick Henry, leading active rusher. 10,216 yards. That's a lot of running. Like, it's The Walking Dead out there in football. We'll be playing 7-on-7 in the next decade. Can't stay on the field. Hey, Mark Andrews is alive. That's a good sign. At least for my fantasy teams. It is. Ignition is awesome, guys. If you've never done it, take a look. You can look at our YouTube channel. There's all different, ignitions throughout the years and different sports and all that. You can find plenty of footballs, but it's the best buyback in the planet. I firmly believe that. Russ does an amazing job. The stuff always goes fast. The goal is to knock it all out Wednesday, Thursday, ship it Friday to you, get those hits to you early next week. Be a lot of fun. All right, guys. I decided to just go with the get all the packs out route. And didn't see any trade discussions. Ooh, sorry about that, Austin. Not good. You must be playing against him then, right? That's not good. I don't need the points against Bomber Wayne this week, so it's okay if he shuts it down. I really would rather have Zay continue to do good, though. If he's already got 100 yards, he must be having a pretty good game. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. Lightning football from the Gold Rush. It's going to be NFL artifacts for the San Francisco 49ers of Mr. Frank Gore. Frank Gore in the blue, 186 out of 250. Frank Gore out of 250 there. San Francisco in this one. That's Vanessa. Congrats. That's a pretty cool card there. 2007 Artifacts NFL Artifacts Red with the authenticated autograph from Beckett. Ooh. Did he have any catches before that? Are we still live? Can we root for the skunk or the? I can't possibly root for an injury because I need Mark, but if we can root for the skunk the rest of the time, I'm okay with that. Well, you look at that. How about a little Brett Favre booming rookie card fire? That is going to go. So I see score 1991 rookie, Brett Favre, quarterback. I do not see any. Oh, Falcons. Drafted Falcons, 33rd overall. So I had a feeling he was going to be a Falcons card because his rookie is a Falcon. So it is Atlanta Falcons. Well, we can't win them all, Austin. Sometimes the fancy guys just aren't in your favor, but you never know. You never know, right? So Atlanta, Michael C. Michael C., that is yours. It does say drafted by Atlanta on the back of the card. We're going Atlanta on that one. The Brett Favre rookie. The other nice thing about Bomber Breaks Ignition, the packs are extremely easy to open. Atlanta. Next up, I've got a Troy Aikman Pro Set Prospect #1 pick here. Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys on the Aikman. Congrats. I'll take it. Autograph. Sporting that UCLA jersey. Dallas. Chris G. That's yours. Congrats. Chris, that's yours. PSA authenticated autograph of Troy Aikman. Why is my focus not good? Nice. Yeah, Chris really likes the Emmett one of these that we see here from time to time. All right, so we got Favre, we got Frank Gore, we got Troy Aikman doing well. Let's see what we got next. Another slabbed authenticated auto of Kenny Pickett. White Hot Rookies. Pittsburgh Steelers. Ryan W. That's yours. Gold Rush definitely leans Pittsburgh at times. There's Mr. Pickett, White Hot Rookies. This says 1989 on the Aikman Pro set. This is going to be goal line graphs of what we just said. The NFL's active leading rusher over 10,000 yards by Mr. Derrick Henry. Derrick Henry goal line graphs 18 out of 25. There we go. 18 out of 25 as a Tennessee Titan. Tennessee Titans, Michael B. Michael B, that is yours. Congrats. Nope. Nope. We're not getting all 10 cards in the back row. It's okay. Up next, we've got a Marcus Allen. Marcus Allen, the all-time franchise rushing leader for the Raiders. 1984 Topps authenticated autograph. Yeah. Marcus Allen, Las Vegas. Shane, that's yours. Congrats. Really nice Marcus Allen. 1984 Topps. It's getting up there. It's a 40-year-old card. Next, we've got Barry Boom, Detroit football. Justin, congrats. Jim Mint 10 from PSA on the Barry Sanders. Copyright 1990. Nice Barry for Detroit. A lot of nice running backs stacking up. A few more to go. We've got a 9.5 rated rookie Dak Prescott for the Cowboys. Chris G, you got the Aikman auto. You're going to add a rated rookie of Dak to the mail day. Jim at 9.5. Two more to go. Here we've got rookie endorsements for the Green Bay Packers. It's Jaden Reed. 34 out of 50 Green Bay. Scott, this one is yours. Congrats. 2023 Illusions Football. A heck of a tackle right there by Mr. Hamilton. Saved a lot of yardage. 34 to 50, Jaden Reed, Green Bay. And this will bring us to our last card of the break. Thank you again for jumping in. They really had to do this one today. Really. With a Heisman winner inscription, it's a Jim Mint Johnny Manziel rookie card for the Cleveland Browns. Cleveland. David G, that's yours. Congrats. Jim Mint 10, Johnny Manziel, Topps Chrome football rookie. The signature and the 2012 Heisman winner inscription of Johnny Manziel. All right, guys, that's going to be the lightning break. Thank you again. Let's recap it for you. 10 cards in the break. Johnny Manziel, rookie auto for the Browns. Jaden Reed, rookie auto for the Packers. Rated rookie, 9.5 for the Cowboys of Dak. White Hot Rookies autograph of Kenny Pickett for the Steelers. We got goal line graphs of Derrick Henry to 25 for the Titans. We've got a Jim Mint 10, Barry Sanders. Oh, now Mike Evans is hurt. Great. Great. Barry Sanders. We've got Frank Gore auto for the Niners. It's going to be Brett Favre for the Falcons, guys. Atlanta on this Brett rookie, drafted by Atlanta. Marcus Allen for the Raiders. And Troy Aikman. Nice pro set auto, Dallas. Appreciate it. Stop and save. See where we're at for next.